We're here at St. Elmo, a neat little ghost town in the general area of Buena Vista, a few miles up. The road was really good though, so I'm going to take some photos with my Brownie Instamatic camera.
Jackson.
The videographer is my lovely wife, Rebecca. And we have Jackson, the golden retriever.
Jack.
Navigator. He likes it up here. So we'll take some pictures of this historic ghost town. Pretty busy actually on a beautiful day. St. Elmo peaked in the 1890s due to the gold mining industry, with over 150 mining claims filed in that general area. It was a bustling place. There was a newspaper office, saloons, dance halls. Still at St. Elmo, ghost town. And in the background is the old schoolhouse that they've just opened up. So we'll take a look inside that. If you're a fan of ghost towns, then St. Elmo should be on your list to visit. It's very accessible on a hard-packed gravel road about a half hour or so due west of Nathrop, Colorado. You just go past the Mount Princeton Hot Springs a few miles, and there it is. You don't need four-wheel drive to get there, so that's nice. It is probably a little more tricky in the winter, depending on the snowpack, because it is at elevation of some 9,900 feet above sea level. In the summer, though, it's a neat place to get out of the heat and explore. There's over 40 buildings and homes in the area, and the general store is open for souvenirs in the summer, and you can pick up an ice cream cone as well. So if you're a fan of ghost towns in Chaffee County, south central Colorado, it's a good place to check out. Thanks for watching our video. We appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. I've got more photographs all over the country, especially in Colorado, on our website, which is www.coolingphotography.com. Thanks for watching.